YouTube Theater at SoFi Stadium. Look at that monstrosity, man. Holy moly. Wow. SoFi. Coffee break. Look at this place. Huh. Outrageous. What parking? SoFi Stadium. Wow. What a massive place.
In half a mile, the destination is on your left. 1011 Stadium Drive.
Wonder where?
Went to Bryant's
grocery
store.
When she comes out, he whistles.
So as soon as he whistled, you knew.
SoFi.
Right one, this is right one. 1955.
Bryant and his brother treated him like where else the family could home. Bryant and Nyland tortured and shot him before dumping his remains in the river.
There's word the 18-year-old son of basketball legend LeBron James suffered cardiac arrest while practicing yesterday at USC. Bronny James is now in stable condition and out of the ICU.
I gotta find out where to park.
Tammy McCormick tells us.
Maycollins Barbecue at YouTube Theater. Doing Dream Theater rock show. Got 3 trucks to unload. That one, that one. And these are 54-footers. Working for a living at YouTube Theater. Three trucks, 15 minutes. Only in LA. Two Lamborghinis. $500,000 right there. 2 Lambos. Look at us. Oh, one's a Ferrari and one's a Lamborghini. That's $500,000 right there. Look at that. Wow. Pretty nice. 250 grand each. Maycollins Barbecue. I'm making a street tacos, a beef tacos. I just got 1 pound of beef in my well-seasoned cast iron pan. And I put Scoggett's Fiesta brand taco seasoning and some hardcore carnivore. I'm gonna cook this up, taco meat, and then I'm gonna go over to the fryer and make the fresh tortillas and make tacos because barbecue. 1 pound of beef.